Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can attempt to try to cancel a payment that you've made using Cash App. So from the homepage of Cash App, what we want to do is go down here to the bottom right-hand corner where this little clock is, and that's going to open up our transactions. In our activity area, find where it says pending, and if the payment that you have made that you're trying to cancel is pending, then you can simply cancel it in this area. Now, if it has already gone through and it's no longer pending, then you need to contact the person that you had sent those funds to ask to give you a refund for the money that you had sent. There's no guarantee of success with this. You could also try to contact Cash App support to see if you can get a refund on any money that you had sent. But again, those aren't going to be situations where you're guaranteed success. But if you do have a payment in the pending area, then you can click on the payment that you would like to cancel. So I'm going to select this one right here. That'll bring up the information associated with that payment. And if we go to the bottom, we can find right here where it says cancel payment. So I'm going to click that. And then it says, are you sure you want to cancel this payment? And I would like to, so I'm going to click OK. And that payment has now been canceled. Going back to the previous page in my activity, I can now see that that particular payment has been canceled and it's immediately added back to my balance. I was at $9. Now I'm back up to $10 after canceling that $1 payment. Quick recap to end this video. If you're trying to cancel a payment that you've made with Cash App, you can try to go to your activity area by clicking on this little clock here in the bottom right-hand corner. And anything that is in the pending area, that is where you can click on those transactions to cancel them. If it has already gone through though, your options at that point are to get in contact with the person that you had sent that money to get a refund of that money. Or you can try to contact Cash App support for assistance. And if you would like to try that option, you can click on your little profile icon here in the upper right-hand corner. That takes us to your profile page where you can scroll down and find where it says support to click on that. And in the support area, if you would like to contact Cash App, you can scroll all the way to the bottom where it says contact us. And there's the chat option here if you would like to give that a try. So I hope this quick tutorial is helpful going over how you can try to cancel a payment that you have made using Cash App and the options that you have to try to get your money back. I appreciate you guys stopping by and consider subscribing for more content in the future.